this video we'll be looking at MongoDB installation. I'll be using Atlas. So simply go to the Google search and type MongoDB Atlas, and then you get the link. And so couple of links basically: MongoDB Atlas database and also MongoDB Cloud Atlas. So I'm just choosing this MongoDB Cloud Atlas, and this is the home page. So you can actually try it for free, and then so lot of information there. Cloud database. So Atlas is a cloud database. So it is used across using AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. Okay, and let's click on start free, and then you can actually give the company name and all that, but if you are a student, we'll just go with the sign up with Google. So I have selected my ID, and then simply, so this is where you get it once you actually create your Atlas. So if you want any support, you can take it, but let's not get into that. So this is the screen where you have to stop. So you have the Atlas and you can find these clusters and all.